Hello and welcome back. I'm making some progress in that I have deleted Call of Duty from my phone. By the way, David Bradley here in the TV room, but a lot of things here. Not much has changed, but that will change. It will. Look, this needs to go downstairs. This is not a product placement. It is not. Needs to go downstairs. Now, one thing I need to do here before anything tragic happens is this is a power supply for an Amiga 500. It is. And it works. But the fuse was bad. So I'm just going to squeeze the power thing back in here. Now, I do think that I want to find, and I know they're right here. I know they are. Not the hammers. Although it's good to know where the hammers are. Somewhere here is the top. Ah, there is the top. Oh, look. Rubber bands. Oh, and there. That's a bad fuse. Now, this is going to be interesting. There should be another top around here. I guess what I want to do, for sure, is put, by the way, if you want to have a look, oh, get out from under my foot. There's a power supply for an Amiga 500. There it is. It's right there. For your viewing pleasure. Now this one needs a fuse. I'm going to try and set that over here out of the way for a second. This one has a fuse. Now, somewhere here, there should be another top. The other thing is, these things, they each had 4 screws, but the screws are similar and yet different. The heads are different. The strings are different lengths. The screws are different lengths and different threads. So which one goes into this one? I don't know, but I'm going to try. Screw this in and see if it goes nicely. I'll take a different screw, see if this goes in nicely. And does either one go in nicely? No, not terribly. Alright, well, I'll take the smaller one. Okay, now you know what, that might be seeming to go in easier. Where is a little screwdriver? I don't want to really. Yeah, that seems to be going in okay. Okay, so take that out. And this out. And this out. And this out. Now, where is the other top? I cannot lose these screws. I cannot lose these screws. And then I have to decide. I'll put them beside the monitor here. Decide which one is the one that went with this one. This has the fuse. Does this fit nicely? Well, we'll see. And does it look like it matches? It doesn't really look like it matches. So, I'll take this from here. Yeah, that looks like it's the one for that. It does. Alright, well. Where's the other top? Where's the other top? I know it's here somewhere. that is some frustrating. It is, but not surprising. Okay, I'm going to squeeze these things in here, these places where the wires come out. So they fit in there nice, and they're lined up. I'm going to put this on. Hopefully get it to fit nice. That fits nice. Does it look like it matches? Yeah, this looks like it matches. It probably goes there. Alright, so how are we doing? I'm getting things to line up. Well, okay, but not great. See, there's a little tang here that also has to do with the wire. Well, does this one match this either? I don't know. It really doesn't seem to. Okay. Hang on. Oh, you know what it might be? Okay, we'll set that down. We'll take this. We'll put it on here. Does it fit here nicely? Oh, yeah, it surely does. Alright. So I'll drop a screw in. And then look for the screwdriver. And see if that goes in nicely. And I'm not sure that it does. See, with these things where you really can't see, you pretty much just got to drop the screws in. Maybe shake them around a bit. Hopefully get them in position. And then hopefully you can feel when the head is going on. I wonder if this is the right screw or not. It's putting up more of a fight than I think it should. Oh, I'm getting frustrated and overheated. Did they all come out? Let's try this one. Oh yeah, that goes in okay. Okay, so we are getting there. Okay. Oh, I think what we have here, in the one hole, we have a failure. A failure to disengage the other screw. So, two screws in the same hole do not really fit. They are long. They are long. And really, when you tighten these things, don't do them like incredibly tight. When you start to feel resistance, just assume that you're pretty much there. And say, okay, that's good. None of the crank it till it breaks and then back off half a turn. Okay. Hello, come on out. There's nothing, no, you're not going to go in there. There's a screw in there. You gotta come out. You gotta come out. You gotta come out. Maybe it's sort of to screw in the side. Can't anything just be simple? Can't it just be simple? That's one. Oh, come on. Oh, no, come on. Come on, you gotta come out. You gotta come out. You gotta come out. Gotta come out. You're not in there, really. Come on. Okay. So that's the kind I need. Now, here's one. I don't, but I do. There's another. There should be a fourth one. Oh, I hate this. I hate losing screws. I do. Gotta be here. Anyway. Alright, well, let's just finish off one thing. Oh, did we have, oh, that's right. That's because we have the screw in here that doesn't really fit in here. Okay, you gotta come out. You gotta come out. Okay, good. Okay, so that's, we have 4 screws. We put this one inside. And they're away. No wonder it takes so long to tidy up. Once again, screw until you feel just a little resistance, and then you're good. Okay, so this one here, I'm just trying to look here. Okay, so this is the one that has a screw. Not a screw, a fuse. It has a fuse. How beautiful is that? I'm getting hot. Yep, the wires. Okay. This is another thing. Why is that? Oh, that's plugged in. That would do it. Okay, it's turned off. I can't quite get the plug out right now, but that's okay. It's okay. I know what's what there. So I gotta find the other lid. I do. But you know what? As I said, I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot. So I think what I'm gonna do is move some stuff and carry on. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. David Bradley here in the TV room. Sign. Oh wait. Look at that. It's the other top, and it says Commodore. Beautiful. Okay. See you next time. Bye for now.